Hello. Welcome to another extension of our video. This is the part 2, which is exercise 2 disk defragmenter and disk cleanup. Computers require constant maintenance to keep working properly and ensure better performance. These are various maintenance tools available as a part of the computer's operating system. In this exercise, you will learn how to set up some disk performance enhancement tools like disk defragmenter and disk cleanup in Microsoft Windows. You will learn how to use the task scheduler to schedule an application or script to run in the predetermined time. You will learn how to use Windows Action Center as one of the top applications for checking the system performance of your system. Please refer to your course material or use your favorite search engine to research for more information about this topic. Learning outcomes. After completing this exercise, you will be able to configure this defragmenter, use this cleanup your devices. You will be using the following devices in this lab. Please power this on now. PLB Win 10, Windows 10 Enterprise Domain Workstation, which is this one. So you need to turn this on. So let's just wait for that to load and go ahead and continue on task number 1. Configure disk defragmenter. As a user adds and removes files from the hard drive, blank sectors that form a cluster are left behind in the drive. As a result, when saving a bigger file from the disk, it will occupy sectors that may be located in the non-adjacent sectors, resulting in the file fragmentation. In this task, you will use this defragmenter to consolidate file fragments to improve disk read and write times. Step 1. Ensure you have powered on the required devices and connect to PLP Win 10. Let's ensure that and go type and go. Something's wrong. Hold on. So connected to PLP1. So here is the successful thing. Sorry about that. So step number 2, check File Explorer on the taskbar. The File Explorer window is displayed. So let's just go over here and look for the File Explorer. So this is the File Explorer. Then we're gonna go on step 3. Expand this PC node. Right click on local disk C and select properties. So we're gonna go ahead and okay, I found it. So this is the local disk C. Then select properties. This PC. Okay, so this is this PC. Sorry about that. Terrible sorry about this. Then we're gonna go ahead and go to properties. Then here's the step 4. On the local DC properties dialog box, go to Tools tab. So I'm gonna go on Tools, then step 5. On Tools tab, click Optimize. Okay, so on step 6, on the Optimize drives screen, verify the current status of the drives. For this example, select C and click Analyze. Okay, it's already in the current one, so I'm gonna go analyze. Please wait while the drive C is being analyzed. You will get the results in a few seconds. So, step 7, the current status will update indicating the time stamp the analyze operation was run. Click the optimize button. So you can see, just like in the image. Then step 8, the current status will display the percentage trim of the C drive. Mhm. Then step 9, ensure that the drive C is selected. Under the schedule optimization section, click change settings. On the optimized drives dialog box, change frequency drop-down list to monthly and then click OK. Okay, it's already on monthly, so I'm gonna go hit OK. Hmm. Okay, so weekly. Okay. Back on the optimized drives dialog box, click close. Click OK to close the local PC properties. Then step 13, in the Windows search box, to the right of the Windows Start charm, type the below command prompt. We're gonna go and copy paste this, and we're gonna go to command, and we're gonna go search it here. So we're gonna type CMD. On the command prompt, type defrag C and V. You can just copy paste it and control victory over here. There you go. This so the note says this optimization process may take a few minutes to complete. You can press CTR plus C to abort the frag process. Then step 15. So I'm gonna go enter this. So please wait while the defragmenter runs. Just like in the image. So step 16, browse the details of the defragmentation process like the pre-optimization reports. Hmm. Mhm. So it's barely loading. So mhm. So the step 18 is to close the command prompt, type exit, then enter. There you go. Close the command prompt and File Explorer window. Task 2. Using disk cleanup. Over time, the number of non-essential files will pile up in your computer. You can use disk cleanup to remove them safely. In this task, you will learn to use disk cleanup. Step 1. On PLAB Win10 device, click Start Charm on the start screen. Then search for disk cleanup. Then press enter. This cleanup automatically runs and scans the drive for non-essential files that can be removed. Please wait for the while the application runs. So it already run and already loaded. Then the step 3 is when this cleanup is successfully completed and the disk cleanup for C dialog box, keep on the other default selections. Select temporary files, temporary window, installation files, and thumbnails checkboxes and click OK. So we're gonna go find temporary files. So as you can see, it's already checked. Temporary window installation files. Thumbnails. It's already checked. Then click OK. Okay. So we're gonna go hit cancel. Shown in the instructions. So we're gonna go hit the next page. Exercise 3. Task Scheduler. In this exercise, you will set up automation in this cleanup and configure it to run unattended using Task Scheduler. Please refer to your course material or use your preferred search engine to search this topic in more detail. Learning outcomes after completing this exercise, you will be able to use Task Scheduler for this cleanup. Your devices. You will be using the following devices in this lab. Please power this on now, which is PLAP Win10, Windows 10 Enterprise Domain Workstation, which I'm using right now. So that's one. Using the task scheduler for this cleanup. You can use the task scheduler to put some automation in the execution of programs on your computer. In this task, you will use the task scheduler to automate this cleanup. Step 1. Connect to PLBWin10. Click Start on the search box and type CMD. Okay, so CMD. You're gonna go click it, then start this cleanup with registry settings that you want to type the following command, which is given here below. So we're gonna go copy it here and paste it on the editor window. Then go hit enter. So the note. The number one is an arbitrary number. You can use any number that you want that suggests that the command of clean manager exe will open the GUI program, you can make the selections here that will be saved in the number one value. The GUI, oh, okay, so next one is, as you can see in this window, so step 3, the disk cleanup setting dialog box is displayed. Aside from the default selections made, click recycle bin checkbox. Click OK. So step 4, you have made the selections in the disk cleanup setting dialog box. Click close on the command prompt window. So the step 5 is click start, and in the search box type task scheduler. Select task scheduler. So step 6, the task scheduler window opens. Locate actions on the right pane and click create basic tasks. Actions on the right pane and click create basic tasks. So step number 7 is the create basic task wizard opens. On the create a basic task page, type the following in the name field. This cleanup schedule. Then click next. So step 8, on the task trigger page, select weekly and then click next. Then step number 9, on the weekly page, use the following values for the start field. On the date section, choose the current date. So step 10, on the action page, ensure start a program is selected. Then click next. So step 11, on the start a program page, in the program script parameter type C Windows System 32 CleanManager.exe. So I'm gonna go copy and paste here. Sorry about that lag. And go hit next. On the Start a Program page, in the program script parameter type, okay, so I already did that. In the add arguments optional parameter type sage run. Then copy this. Okay, so click next. Okay, so I'm gonna go just check it. Okay, so it's in the right spot. So note the Sage run will run in the disk cleanup program using the selections you made earlier in the Sage set switch. Okay, so the right spot. So step 12. On the summary page, click finish. Gonna hit it. Okay. So step 13. You are now back at the task scheduler window. Click that task scheduler library folder on the left pane. Notice this cleanup is listed in the middle pane. Left pane and okay, so it's here. In step 14, you can initiate the disk cleanup to run manually. Right click on the disk cleanup and select run. Step 15, notice that the disk cleanup runs unattended without you having to interact with the application. Note, this cleanup may start as a minimize icon on the taskbar. Click on the icon to see the status. So, just like in the window, you can really see it's loading. So, once the disk cleanup process is complete, close the task scheduler window. Okay. So, this is the next one. Exercise 4, using system information. In this exercise, you will learn how you can collect information about the hardware and software setting of machines in your network by using system information. Please refer to your course material or use your preferred search engine to research this topic in more detail. Learning outcomes. After completing this exercise, you will be able to collect system information. Your devices. You will be using the following devices in this lab. Please power this on. PLBDC01. So we're gonna go find this and click it. Main controller 2012 R2 to main controller. PLB Win 10 Windows 10 Enterprise Domain Workstation. And here it is. It's already running just like in the first one. So task 1. Collect system information. In this task, you will use MSI info32.exe to collect system information. Step 1. Connect to PLABDCC1. which I am already connected to. So click to the start charm to invoke the start screen. Okay, and type system information. So then press enter. Okay, so the system information windows is displayed. Find the system information displayed for this computer. Click File and choose Export. System information. Go and scroll down. Might have passed it. Hold on. So I'm gonna go click File and Export. Okay, so step 3. On the Export As dialog box, click in the name box and type PLABDC01, which I'm just going to copy and paste it down below on the task manager. So as you can see, it loads. Step 4, please wait for while the system information collection, then saves the data as a file. Then step 5, when the files have been saved, click on File Explorer icon on the taskbar. In step 6, expand this PC on the left pane. Click Documents folder and then double-click a BDC01 file from the Details pane. So, documents. Okay, found it. So step 7, the PLAPDC01 exported file is now displayed. The exported file contains information such as the operating system, name and version, system model and type, processor, etc. Read through the saved system information about this computer. The file now contains the saved system information from PLABDC01. Close the PLABDC01 document after viewing it. Okay. Step 8, likewise, you can collect information from remote system. Switch to PLAB Win10 and click the start charm and type the following. Okay, but hold on, I'm gonna go next this. So here we are again in the step 8. So we'll find the search bar. Oh, this There's nothing. So go here and X. Just gonna go clear that for demonstration. Then go step 8, start and Windows Defender under Fire. This is pretty easy. You just copy paste. Oh, sorry. Hmm, forgot to copy it. So I go paste it. Okay, okay. Then click it. Mhm. So step 9, the Windows Defender firewall page is displayed. So step 10, on the help protect your PC with Windows Firewall screen, if the network profiles, domain private, and guest or public networks are red, then the firewall is off. Click the use the recommend setting button. So the note says if the network profiles, domain private, and guest or public networks are in green, this means that the firewall is on. Click allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall straight away, then skip to step 14. So we're gonna go skip on 14. So switch back to PLABDC01. Restore the system information application from the taskbar. PLA, okay, 01. Search system information. Then go click view and choose remote computer. Click view remote computer. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. So step 16, on the remote computer dialog box, select remote computer on the network option and type PLAB Win10. And click OK. So step 17, the system information of PLAB Win10 is now available as seen on the system summary PLAB Win10 node. Mhm. So the next one is close the system information window. So X this, and that's all.